Weebly is one of the long-standing website builders that has made a name for itself by offering an intuitive drag-and-drop interface aimed at non-tech users. Logging into the platform, you're greeted with a minimal dashboard that emphasizes simplicity, which is great for beginners, but might feel limiting for users looking for more granular control. Navigating through the templates, it's clear that Weebly is behind competitors, like Wix and Squarespace in terms of modern design aesthetics. While functional, many of the available themes look outdated and lack the sleek feel you'd expect in 2025. The drag-and-drop editor is easy to understand, but customization is fairly limited unless you're comfortable diving into HTML/CSS. For anyone wanting to stick to the visual editor only, you might quickly feel boxed in. One upside is that adding pages and managing site structure is straightforward and doesn't require any technical knowledge. E-commerce on Weebly is powered by Square, which gives the platform some muscle in terms of integrated payment processing and inventory tools. However, the e-commerce features are basic unless you upgrade to a paid plan, and even then, the customization options for your storefront are minimal. There's also a noticeable lag when switching between the editor and the product management area, which could be frustrating for anyone managing a large catalog. Weebly's SEO tools are present but bare bones. You can adjust meta titles, descriptions, and URLs, but there's no keyword suggestion or integration with modern SEO plugins. If you're serious about ranking, you'll find Weebly limiting compared to more advanced builders or CMS platforms. Broad functionality exists, but again, it feels like a feature that was added long ago and hasn't been meaningfully updated. Many useful links you can find in the description. On the plus side, Weebly does provide a very stable hosting environment and automatic mobile responsiveness. Your site will load reliably, and it does look decent on smartphones and tablets. That said, image optimization and speed enhancements require manual work, which puts an extra burden on users who want top performance without much back-end tinkering. The pricing structure is clear and relatively affordable, especially for basic sites. But when compared to the flexibility and features of competitors at similar price points, Weebly often feels like you're paying more for less. Customer support is adequate, email support is responsive, but live chat is hit or miss in terms of resolution and expertise. If you're someone who's just starting out and wants a no-fuss builder to get a basic site online quickly, Weebly can still get the job done. But for users looking to scale, grow an e-commerce business, or create something more dynamic and visually current, Weebly may not meet expectations. It's showing its age, and unless there's a major overhaul, it's likely to continue falling behind more modern builders. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more honest reviews and tutorials on digital tools and website builders.